ASAP Plumbing installing a lift station in Crescent Beach, Florida, St. Augustine, Florida. So there's our discharge line. And down there is the new tap for the county. And here to tie into their force main. And there's about 220 feet of pipe that's been installed by ASAP Plumbing up on the top of the hill. New conduit coming in for the electricians. Here's the post, which is going to put the panel box on the top of the post right here. New electrical being ran down to the pumps. So you got two pumps in here. Both of them are 2 horsepower grinders. And they are here. And then, like I said, the wires kind of run through here up into the electrical. And we'll go into the panel box. The electricians will bring their wires in a couple of days down through here, and they'll tie it in. They bring it through here and tie it back into the post. And they're going to put a 230 circuit. So that's two circuits of 230 and a circuit of 110. So basically, they are going to put a lot of juice on this lift station. And like I said, this is ASAP Plumbing, St. Augustine, Florida, putting in a 220-foot sewer line addition. The customer wants us to get them off of a septic system and replace it with a force main modification, 220 feet of sewer tied into the city force main. So it is not a gravity-fed system. It is gravity-fed from the house to the tank, and then it becomes a lift station, also known as a force main system, which will get the sewage effluent all the way back to the city for treatment and processing, which is another 10 miles up the road. Again, ASAP Plumbing, 904-346-1266, 904-346-1266. We are a state licensed plumbing contractor for the entire state of Florida, and we have tools and we do travel.